Hi, I'm Henry from Cropilots Tractor. Want to avoid tractor breakdowns during harvest? Here's how to keep yours running like a beast. Tip 1. Engine oil and filter. Start with the engine oil, change it every 100 to 250 hours, and don't forget the filter. Clean oil means longer engine life. Tip 2. Air filter. Next up, your air filter. In dusty conditions, check it every 50-100 hours. Better airflow, better fuel efficiency. Tip 3. Cooling system. Overheating ruins engines. Check coolant levels, clean radiator fins, and inspect all hoses for leaks. Tip 4. Hydraulic system. Your implements depend on strong hydraulics. Keep fluid clean, top it up, and replace filters as needed. Tip 5. Tire pressure. Tires matter more than you think. Check pressure often, look for wear, and rotate to prevent uneven damage. Tip 6. Battery. A weak battery can stop everything. Clean the terminals, check the charge, and stay ready, especially in cold months. These 6 steps keep your farm tractor reliable, efficient, and ready for any field condition. I'm Henry. Follow Cropilots for more pro tractor tips that keep you running strong.